As you can see, the screen is flickering, blinking, and not working properly. Huh? Of screen blinking and flickering. So first of all, you have to do a hard reset, volume up, volume down, and then press the power button simultaneously, but not wasting your time. Just could be quick. Volume up, down, and power button. As you can see, it automatically restarting. It will solve your problem. If not, if not, then the second solution is to turn off your auto brightness by going search, type auto brightness. Here is the auto brightness. Let's turn on, and you have to turn it off. Okay, it will also solve your problem, but if it will again doing this, the final and most appropriate solution that I found and fix one, go to face ID, and passcode, give whatever your code is, and then turn off that two options that require attention for face ID and attention aware features. This problem will probably comes out when your face ID is disabled. My phone face ID is disabled, but infrared constantly working. So after doing this, that you can see that this will make problem. As you can see now, the problem has been solved. It will not again flickering anymore. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.